We started our trip from the Bay Area. We stopped at Kettleman's Ranch, and you can smell the cow poop out here. It's 44 cents a kilowatt hour, Coalinga or something. Oh, it stinks. We're gonna have to use the the hazardous waste mode to get out that poop smell. But here's the charger. I don't remember them having lights in these, so that's cool. I think that's new. Go into the gas station to use the restroom because they never put restrooms in front of these things. Sometimes they do, but it's pretty rare. It's usually they expect you to go to the shopping areas, but it looks like they're growing out the charging. There's like crazy amount of chargers there, so we'll see what happens. I wonder how they get so much electricity to this location. Because that's a lot of chargers. Look at it. Oh, I forgot to mention, it's 9:20 right now. I'm charging to probably 75 or 80%, so that way I can make it to a much cheaper charger. The one we're charging at is 45 cents or 44 cents per kilowatt hour, something like that. And then the one I'm going to go to next is 39 cents. And then in LA, they have some that are off peak. It'll be like 27 cents, sometimes even cheaper. Okay, so they have this, and then you have to go all the way somewhere over here to go to the restroom. So, oh, there it is. So it's its own little building outside, and the chargers are all the way down there. You can see Harris Ranch, Coalinga. It's funny, the bathroom smells actually better than the outside. Outside smells like poo, the bathroom doesn't. Alright, so we're walking back. It's so funny. The bathroom smells better than the outside. Here's a more close-up of the Harris Ranch sign. It says barbecue. You can get barbecue from that tree. Got a nice big arrow pointing right to that tree for barbecue. Truck's parked over there. Oh. Alright, let's get out of this poop smelling city. I think it's all the cows from the Harris Ranch. Okay, so we're at 70%. I set it to charge max 85, but I think once there's more than 10% that will arrive with more than 10% should be plenty. And we're going to here, Castaic, California. Limited amenities. We'll probably stop at a place to get some food real quick, but no restrooms available here. You better go restroom while you can. You want me to drive to the restroom so you can go?
Yeah, we have to drive to the restroom.
Okay, I'll drive closer to the restroom once we're here. It's kind of a far walk. And this one you can see 39 cents. Okay, it's so stinky, so we're gonna turn on biohazard mode. And we decided we're going to that one. Zoom out, zoom out. So we're gonna drive all the way here, Santa Clarita, to charge here, 39 cents per kilowatt hour, and then we got an In-N-Out right there. If I want, I can stop early and charge at this one, but I don't know if that makes sense. It's only 1 cent cheaper, and then we can move to another charger later. So let's go. Okay, so I drove here to park at the bathrooms because it's so far from the chargers, and my dad didn't want to walk through the stink. And one guy, he came out of his car and he said the bathroom smelled better than the outside, and he's like, oh yeah, I'd bet money on that. But here we go, 75%. Right, it says we'll get there with 9% remaining. Plenty of juice. So since we're going to a supercharger that's somewhat crowded, you can see it even gives a message here to consider navigating to a less busy charger. So it'll even tell you, like, if you go there, you're probably gonna have to wait and stuff like that. If you don't have enough charge left, it'll even tell you to drive slower, things like that. Here you can see we will arrive there, it's saying 4%, but earlier it said 12, but then I removed it and added it back, and I guess it recalculated something. But I'm pretty sure we're not gonna use close to 58% to go 120 miles. So most likely we'll use about 40, and then we'll have like 18% left, unless we're going up a mountain or something, so we'll see. After driving a bit with the reset, you can see now it's showing 7% on arrival. So like I said, it's probably calculating, since we're gonna have to go over the mountain or hill soon, and since I reset it, it probably like reset from closer to the hill, so it didn't take into account all the previous driving for the efficiency, but we'll see. Alright, so we're passing the last stop before climbing the hill. We've got 41%, and it's saying we're going to get there with 8% remaining. The thing is, when we get to the top, it's going to be lower than when we get to the bottom, because we get a lot of regen going back down. So we're going to see what the battery gets to when we're getting like towards the top of that mountain. Sometimes it can get very low. I think last time we drove, it went down to like 1%. So we'll see how much percent we need to make it to the top. So there's a sign that said next gas 25 miles. I'm not sure about next EV charging, but next gas is 25 miles. See, we're now at 40%. We're still not climbing the mountain yet, but we got 74 miles to our destination and 9% remaining upon arrival. So you can see the percent we're getting is going up, and you can see we're getting about 262 watt-hours per mile right now. Keep in mind, if you drive this at night versus driving in the day where it's hotter and you need to blast the AC, you're probably going to drain the percentage quicker. It is 75 degrees Fahrenheit right now, so if that matters, I have it just set to 70. Doesn't feel too cool. And then the setting is on auto at high, so you can see there, auto AC circulating, and it's set to high. But even with those settings, with auto, it doesn't actually blow the fan that hard. So, yep, alright. So we'll see what we end up with going towards the top of that mountain. Okay, we're getting closer to the mountain, but not there yet. 37% remaining currently. Watt-hours per miles went down, 260, and we got 9% remaining upon arrival. So let's see. Alright, so we're getting on I-5. We have 30% left. It says we will arrive with 8%, and now we got 269 kilowatt-hours per mile, so it went up. I think this is the last charging before going up the mountain, and I think it was 45 cents per kilowatt hour. So yeah, right, 29% now. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so as you can see, we are approaching the grapevine. We're starting with 27%. It says we will arrive with 8. And we got 278 watt-hours per mile now, after going up slight incline. Alright, so you can see we're now down to 19%. It says we're going to now arrive with 10. So I think the 12% earlier was more accurate. And it shows we're using 306 watt-hours per mile average so far. And I think we're still going uphill. The water bottles, because of the lower atmospheric pressure, are popping, like they're inflating. But, yeah. Alright, so we're still climbing, 14% remaining, 319 watt-hours per mile. It says we'll arrive with 10%. The water bottles are making loud popping sounds, making it sound like rocks are hitting the windshield, but yeah. And sorry for all the noise, my brothers are watching anime or something. Looks like we've begun our descent, so we'll see now how it goes. So we're at 13%. I'm still holding the pedal a little so it's not charging, but we're going around 74, 75, and 319 watt-hours per mile, and 10%. I don't know why it says speed limit 55. I don't think that's right. Everyone's going like way faster than 55. So unless everybody's going way over 20 miles over the speed limit, then that's, yeah. I don't think that's right. I think it's still 70 miles an hour speed limit. Alright, so it looks like we're going all downhill now. We have 9% starting this descent. It's going like fast downhill. It says we'll arrive with 9%. And so far 295 watt-hours per mile. That's probably going to go way down as we continue going down this mountain, so we'll see. Okay, so now we're at 9%. It says we'll arrive there with 9%, 272 watt-hours per mile. Let's see. Alright, so I'm charging now, 9%. At midnight we'll get, yeah, at midnight, no, this one is not cheaper. This one costs 38 cents per kilowatt hour. The next one we're going to here, this San Fernando, is, where's that? That's not that one, it's the next one. So the San Fernando is over, where'd it go? Here. And that one after midnight is 23 cents per kilowatt hour. So let's see what it says here. So it says we'll get there, we'll arrive with 3% remaining. So I'm gonna just charge a few seconds to get to 5% remaining. We'll stop at In-N-Out, stop there to eat, or stop at In-N-Out to eat, and then stop there to charge. And we're good. It already says 5%, so we can already go. We're already good to go. Look how fast it went to already 13%.
13.
Fine, I'll charge the 15. It was only at 9 earlier. But that's already plenty. I don't need to charge that much. Okay, we'll charge the 15 and then we'll go. But there's like a hotel here. Six Flags is here. If I zoom out, you can see where'd it go. There was all the rides where we were.
Charging at 15, or you have to get out and unplug it?
I have to get out. No, I can force it to stop, but it's fine. It's 15 now, so we're gonna go. Alright, let's unplug this guy. Let go. Put that in. Oh, whoa, water's spraying out. What is happening? Why are they watering? There's no plants here. Okay, oops, I overcharged 16%, and you can see here, it's only 4 minutes, half a mile to In-N-Out, so let's go, 273 watt-hours. Okay, as you can see, we're on Sunkissed. My mom is sitting on top of the seatbelt, so she says it's hurting. Okay, we're leaving the In-N-Out. You can see it in the reflection there. Okay, you can see 17 minutes, 14 miles to our next charging spot, which is 23 cents per kilowatt hour. I'll probably charge to 100% there. Alright, so we're almost there. We're at 10% still. You can see it's preconditioning the battery for fast charging. We'll get there with 10%.
Now take exit 157 on the right. Turn left onto San Fernando Mission Boulevard.
We're only using 267 watt-hours per mile. Alright, so we arrived here, 10% still, preconditioning. This one has the Tesla destination chargers that charge very slow, like the ones at your house, dryer charging socket. And then they have these, but that's cool because if you have a lot of time, you can just park there and charge for a very long time. And yeah, so if you wanted to like sleep here or something. Oh no, where's the lines? I'm parking wrong.
Now you have arrived at your destination.
There we go. And should be good. Alright, and yeah, we're gonna charge probably to like 100% because this one's super cheap, so we'll see. Alright, bye. Okay, we're charging, but this one's super loud for some reason. There's no button, you just press on this and then it pops up. Yep. Yep. And it's charging. We'll see how long it takes to get to 100% or close to it. Alright, so I found this charging station just a little past our final destination, so I'll probably charge up there. This one is only 18 cents per kilowatt hour after peak, and we're already 28%. That charged super fast, and Where's the thingy? So if we start now, we'll already be there with 11%, so might as well stop charging now and head over. Alright, and then actually we probably need to go to the inn, check in, and then go there, so we'll wait till we have like 15 maybe. Alright, that's it. Actually, I'll probably start now. Okay, we made it. I dropped off my family so they could sleep, and I'm gonna go charge the car. It's about like 3-4 miles away. Alright, we're getting to the charging place. Still a bit far, 3.1 miles. Magic Way. It's like we're entering Disneyland, so hopefully it's not like blocked off and we can actually charge this late at night. Look at all these fancy areas. West Katera. And the thing is preconditioning again.
Now turn left onto West Katera Avenue.
What is that building? Look at that big hotel there. Purpley palm trees. 3 miles to go. Okay, it's somewhere here. Oh, I see the red logo thingies lighting up. So it's in here. I don't think that's counter traffic, so I can't turn left. Oops, I was supposed to go left over there. Okay, how do we get in there? Here we go. Can probably turn left here. And this one is much cheaper, so let's see how long it takes to charge all the way completely. Alright, charging up. Let's see what it's doing here. Hear the fans starting to wind up. You can hear it making some loud noises. Okay, turn this off. We're already at 14%. Let's see. I'm gonna charge it probably to like 90 or something. There we go. Says it will take 35 minutes to charge from 15 to 90%. We'll see if that's accurate or not. 365. So if it takes 35 minutes, then we'll be done around 3:08. Okay, and here's the thing, how much it's charging. If we go here, we can see 18 cents per kilowatt hour. Super cheap. That's really cheap for, yeah. Our electricity at home off peak is, I think, 24 cents per kilowatt hour. This is only till 4 a.m. After that, it's 27 cents per kilowatt hour. Look how fast it's charging. 965 miles per hour, 232 kilowatts, 231 kilowatts. Alright, finished charging to 90%, so got unplugged now. I did push 95%, but we're just gonna probably, well, maybe I'll charge to like 92 or something, but you can see it's 309, and it shows it charged $10.50. Alright, so charged it up to 93. It's going to go to 95, but I'm just gonna stop it there, and let's go.